welcome back.
What's up?
So we are working on everybody's favorite project. All 3 of our subscribers were just waiting to see this one. So check it out. El Camino. Ready to pull the motor out. So as you can see, we got most everything out of the way now. We pulled the radiator out, we pulled the condenser out, we got everything disconnected. Bell housing's disconnected, motor mounts are disconnected, flex plate's disconnected, fuel lines are disconnected. Everything is ready to go ahead and pull this out. So it took about, what, a couple hours?
Yeah, probably.
Not bad. It's actually one of the easier ones to pull so far. I mean, it didn't hurt that like 90% of the bolts were finger tight. So
yeah,
including the motor mount, which kind of sketches me out a little bit, but who cares? This one's actually going to be going to a new home down in Arkansas in a couple months. So my dad's actually buying this one, and he wants to do some Holly stuff with it and get rid of the toilet bowl that goes in the top and go to actual EFI. So maybe we'll do some more videos on that once we mess around. I know it's not LS stuff, but not everything's going to be LS. Not everything can be LS. In a perfect world, it would be. But now we just got to get this one out of here. And like I said, Pete over there is going to have a couple weeks of cleaning this up because this looks super trashed. And he's going to go ahead and clean it all up. We're going to pull some stuff out of there like that. That's go. That can go. There's probably plenty other things that we can just go. Like all the wires that just end for absolutely no reason. We got some vacuum lines. Wires that plug into absolutely nothingness over here. Where's the other? Oh, probably clean up some of this stuff. Pretty sure this was okay in the 1970s, but right now I'm not okay with it. So we're going to clean up a lot of this wire harness. We're going to relume everything. It's going to look really clean. And we're probably going to go ahead and shoot this engine bay with a nice coat of, what do you say, like some gunmetal or?
I haven't decided yet. Gunmetal or black or
hot pink. Got it. All right. So we're going to go ahead and get this thing on the hoist here. And we're going to pull this bad boy out. And not going to be in this video, but this one's going to be going in there in a couple weeks. So we'll give them a few weeks to go ahead and clean that up. And then we're going to get this thing in there. Check it out. We got on half pounds. So, yeah, that's just gonna go. Needing a boss, that's what it is. and we are done. Only took about a few hours to get everything out of here. It did really help that half the bolts were already finger tight. I mean, not sure how safe he felt with that, but it's not me, so it's good. 350 is out. I'm sorry, tree fitty is out. This thing won't be hopping any more Coke cans for now. We'll see when it gets finished. We got the 6-liter prepped, ready to go. Only a few small things to do to it before it's ready to go in, adding the clamshell mounts. I'm gonna say go ahead and replace these mounts. They look pretty worn. Yeah, they're loosened. And other than that, cleaning up this rat's nest of wiring and pressure washing. Super clean, super mean, super clean. And a little bit of paint. She's gonna look fresh. Can't wait. Next video we do on this car, we're gonna go ahead and start stabbing that LS in there. We're gonna give him some time to get that cleaned up, and we'll be moving along with that one. All right, so till next time, check it out. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe.
Bye.
That's a wrap.